What is cross-site scripting (XSS)? Cross-site scripting, also known as XSS, is an application vulnerability that allows an attacker to compromise users' interactions with a vulnerable web application. It will enable an attacker to circumvent the same origin policy designed to segregate different websites from each other. Cross-site scripting happens when a malicious actor manipulates a web application into transmitting information that permits the user's browser to execute it. Most commonly, this is malicious JavaScript code an attacker provides, but XSS can also be used to deliver malicious payloads, plugins, or media content. An attacker can trick a web application this way when the application permits data from an untrusted source, such as data entered in a form by users or password to an API endpoint by client software, to be displayed to users without being properly escaped. Now, XSS can allow untrusted users to execute code in the browser of trusted users and access some types of data such as session cookies. This may allow an attacker to steal data from users and dynamically include it in web pages or take control of a site or an application if an administrative or privileged user is targeted. Malicious content delivered through XSS may be displayed instantly or every time a page is loaded or a specific event is performed. XSS attacks aim to target the use of web application, and they may be particularly effective because they appear within a trusted site.